Welcome to our guide on setting up price alerts in the Momondo app. Whether you're planning a vacation or a business trip, staying informed about price changes can help you secure the best deals on flights, hotels, and car rentals. First, open the Momondo app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. Next, navigate to the Price Alerts section. Then click on Create Alert. Here, you'll find options to monitor price changes for the flights, hotels, and car rentals. Choose the category that aligns with your travel plans. For flights, you'll be prompted to choose the type of alert: lowest fares, top cities, exact date round trip, exact date one way. After selecting your preferred alert type, enter the departure and destination cities, along with your travel dates. You can further refine your search by choosing between all flights or nonstop only, and selecting your desired cabin class: economy, premium economy, business, or first class. Optionally, you can set a maximum price to receive alerts only when fares fall within your budget. Finally, tap Create Alert to activate your price notification. Momondo will monitor the selected route and notify you via email when prices change. You can manage and view your active alerts anytime through the Price Alerts section in your profile.